Hey guys, we're back again, West Coast Swing Amsterdam. I'm Gordon.
I'm Jennifer.
And today we're going to make use of our second arm, the non-leading arm. Normally what we want to have is to give her some kind of leverage, some kind of extra compression, or just for extra support. But this time it's going to be a little bit more style for the leaders and maybe something interesting to witness for the followers. What we're going to do first is do an underarm turn. Underarm turn goes as follows: 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So nothing changed there. But leaders, pay attention to my right arm. The moment that she comes close, I'm making contact towards her elbows, but the drive itself will not be altered. Yeah, so from here, 1, 2. Now my hand touches her elbows, and now I'm supporting her.
And when I feel this as a follower, I'm going to pay extra attention because this is different for me.
Yeah, so from here it's going to be until 4, 5, and 6. As you can see, it went from under, now over. So in the, what is this called? Grease?
Your elbow.
Let's just call it elbow. Yeah, so here's the thing. What I would like to do now is make her turn. But even though she goes through a normal left side pass, I'm going to give her this normal one. But watch, I raise my arm a little bit and I just make sure that it's going to be bent with my right arm. Yeah, I don't put any stress, but I just keep it there, and now I have my arm high and now it looks like a hook. And from here, I just guide her away to the other side. One more time. Yeah, so I just came in here and now I'm going to do 1, I raise it up. 3 and 4, 5 and 6.
Followers, this actually ends up being like a regular inside turn for us. The only thing that I would encourage you to keep doing is to keep making sure you follow your wrist. So when he has his hand here and he's moved, he kind of supports the bend of the elbow, just make sure you follow your wrist through and you'll get right to the end of the slot.
Okay, so again, if you are not used to this as a leader, it's totally okay. The moment that you are able just to give her a normal inside turn, a normal underarm turn, now you can use your non-guiding hand just to give her something extra. You see, it's still my left going to be the dominant part, but my right hand gives a little bit more style for my side.
Yeah, and I am making sure that I'm still feeling the connection through this right arm. I'm not really trying to change my connection to feeling this hand over here. This is still the dominant connection for me.
Alright, thank you again. I think it was very informative. Really hope that you are able to practice this at home. I'm pretty sure you know about the situation. If you're doing it by yourself, just try to use your imagination. If you are with a partner, then of course this is going to be a really big treat for you.
Exactly. So if you like this video and you want more West Coast Swing tutorial content, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below, and also subscribe to our channel so we can make more of these videos for you. Think that's about it?
Yes, exactly.
Thanks a lot, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.